Hi everyone, this is Mohamed Shathik. I am a student of IIT Madras incubated GUVI. I was a civil engineer. I decided to switch my career into the data science and artificial intelligence. For that, I found GUVI through the internet. So I enrolled the course for data science program. While I joined the course, I had 0% knowledge in the codings. GUVI tutors taught me everything from the scratch. So I was able to understood the concepts very well. Especially GUVI has one code kata platform where we can able to practice the codings and improve our coding knowledge. It has been a 6-month journey. In this journey, GUVI guided me, supported me, and gave me the momentum to push myself to complete the data science course. Now I got a job as an analyst programmer at Ramco Systems. Here I would like to thank to the entire team of GUVI. From tutors and mentors team, Kaushik Krishnan, Gopi, Sanatan Sukija, Sabrinath Premlal, and Nagur Ramesh. From coordinators and placement support team, Rajeshwari, Sudha, and Sweta. If you would want to study any new courses in the technology, GUVI would be a good choice. Thank you.